Yeah.
Are you and Mawelele done? Is it over or are you singing? It's over?
Yeah.
Because I remember when Candace touched it on Entertainment News, we thought maybe you guys are going to be dropping a single, and that was, a PR stunt. So it's real.
Yeah.
Okay.
And angena ukhala manje.
Yeah.
Angena ukhala manje ngisho ukuthi wena ungikhalisile.
Yeah, yakumina. Oh, we.
Ngizosho ukuthi wena ungikhalisile.
Okay. Singakhali. No, I just want a confirmation. Okay, cool. There you have it. It's official. For those that have been asking, yes, she's single. Her DMs are lit right now. The DMs are lit, right?
Yeah.
Any of his boys on your DMs? When you're talking about artists that are dominating it right now, especially in the era of streaming, you can't take away Una Lady from that conversation. When she dropped the sophomore single Romeo and Juliet, hit 10 million streams within just the first 3 months of its debut. This is an artist who's been able to work with the guys like Chris Brown, and she continues to do some insane numbers, boasting over 1.2 million monthly listeners on her Spotify account. Her social media community is massive, bigger than some brands. Talking about 5 million. She just hit 1 million on Instagram. To this collaboration, you got Lily Faith, you got Blackie on this tune, Waiting For You. How did this song come about?
You make me poco look. Okay, it's in love. It means you make me poco look. It means you drive me crazy. Yeah. So I'm in studio and then let me just try something different. Something in the Afro pop, and then and then I posted on my TikTok. They loved it. And then Lily went open verse challenge, and then people loved it. Nam ngayithanda verse lakhe. Ngathi azi ngimfake Lily. And then ngacabanga ngathi let me try umuntu or hip hop artist. And then ngacabanga uBlake since 8 goats. Ngacabanga uBlake since 8 goats. Ngathi ngifaka ubhuti wami because ngiyamthanda kakhulu, and ngimfollower, ade ngifisa futhi kenza ingoma naye, ngathi ngimfake since nami sengikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume nama artists amakhulu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We're trying the Una Lady appearing ngemva kwe-interview yakhe bekanayo lapha ku-Metro FM, and people were saying ukuthi ayibo girl bakubuta in English, why can't you answer in English? So siyathi ukuthi Una Lady aphiwe vele kuma-interviews akhe uhlala tikhulumela isiZulu and some people bayamdraga ngaloko ukuthi noma ufike ukuthi indzawo ukuthi girl uyabona ukuthi lana khulunywa ilimi la George, wena awuloko ukuthi waliphumula kancane yini ilimi liyaqina yini girl uma kufuneke ukhiphe singisi. So some people were really defending ugirl ukuthi ayiboyikelani umntwana, as long as ugirl akhuluma vakala it's fine bo, and some were saying ukuthi English kwendela imali yini if ugirl akhona kwenda imali using language yakhe yesiZulu, then why people are dragging her ukuthi akasikhuluma isiZulu? And if nale interviewer ayizange ibe nenkinga ukuthi uphendula ngesiZulu, I really don't understand why bantu bamdraga. And balabadraga nalidi guys bantu abadzala, like it's so shocking because these are all people labadzala nalidi mntwana. I'm sure ukuthi now una 20 or 19, I'm not sure, but mncane. So bantu abadzala badraga mntwana ukuthi akhulume isingisi ngengani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.